Female baby chick, Sussex, Speckled Sussex, 1 week old. The only one that has a name is Sassy, and Sassy is the darker colored one at the back there, kind of that back stopper for the door. This isn't going to be a very long video. I just want to document what they look like in 1 week and kind of follow their progress as they grow. So you'll want to check back with this and see these little sweet girls as they change and grow. I went to huddle up behind the light stand. Some of them are lighter and some of them are darker. We're not sure if Sassy is a Sussex, but she's supposed to be. That's Sassy right there. She looks like a Sussex. This one's kind of dark too. But they come in variations, I'm sure. Anyways. That's them. Hey there. Hey there. Subscribe and like and comment, and have a sunshiny day, everyone.